Python list by value, not by reference. Let's take an example. I wanted to append value in list v, but the value of list have also changed. I think I have little idea why it's like this. Python passes lists by reference. My question is, how can I pass it by value so that appending v does change values in a?
You cannot pass anything by value in Python. If you want to make a copy of a, you can do so explicitly, as described in the official Python FAQ.
Also, you can do. This will work for any sequence, even those that don't support indexes and slices.
To copy a list, you can use list A or A column. In both cases, a new object is created. These two methods, however, have limitations with collections of mutable objects, as inner objects keep their references intact. If you want a full copy of your objects, you need copy.deepcopy.
In terms of performance, my favorite answer would be check how the related alternatives compare with each other in terms of performance.
Before scrolling down, listen to the audience